back to my channel. So today's video is going to be reviewing the Plum paper. You may have read that in the title. I'm going to start trying to get different planners so I can review them for you guys, tell you the pros, the cons, and if I recommend them. So if this is something you're interested in, then keep watching. So I ordered this a couple of weeks ago. They have really fast shipping for like the customization of it. And I did reach out to them, asked if they wanted to collaborate so I could review their planner. They were nice enough and sent me one of their planners, but I did add a few add-ons that I did pay for. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first thing they send you is a Plum paper card. It says all about the planners. So they do have a strong coil. It says our coil is made of a strong and durable metal material. They have a quality paper. It says planner pages printed on Luxe Super Smooth 70 number paper. They have a durable cover, a pocket folder. You can start any time. And then you have some nice laminated tabs. So the first accessory that I have here is a grocery list meal planning dashboard. I am going to be ordering some of those pins that like you take them off, or like with a wipe, I forget what they're called. I will put a picture of them on the screen, or I will link them down below to what I'm talking about. So I do like the quality of this. It's very nice and smooth, and you can tell it's just like a very good quality. So you have your grocery list, and you have your item, and then you have another column here for your store. And then on the back, we just have meal planning. You can put like the week of, and then you have Monday through Sunday, and you can just meal plan all that. And you can pick your pattern of this, I noticed, and I thought this one was the most fitting for meal planning. Then I got several packets of stickers. I got the social media stickers, I got the budget stickers, and I got the Plum paper stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out so the glare, I can show y'all. Let's see. So here they are. They're very nice quality and are very, very pretty. So we have a milestone reached, we have blank followers, post hard, play hard, post. I really like these stickers because I'm definitely going to be using their stickers only in this planner. And yeah, so they have a bunch of social media ones. You have edit profile, top post, a little calendar, a schedule it message, tweet it. So you have a bunch of those. So you get 4 sheets, and I think so in here is 2 decorative sheets and 2 functional sheets. And it says repositionable stickers are made with an adhesive that allows for sticker repositioning within your planner or notebook. Stickers are printed with a matte finish for a smooth writing surface. So that is nice. And they're really pretty. Really, really nice quality and very pretty. The next pack here, we have a Plum paper. Budget stickers. So same thing, you have 2 sheets of functional, 2 decorative. These have some little cards, a water, so that's cool. You can use for like a water bill, and it's like a little faucet right there. Really, really cute. Then we have a little grocery, we have a gas one, we have a rainy day fund. Really cute ones. I like this. And they even have like a little house for like your house payment or rent and transfer, payday, stuff like that. Their stickers are literally amazing. I liked the price of them and the quality of them. And then these were just really cute ones that I liked. It's called the Peachy Keen ones. You have, it just has really cute ones. It says your fire goals, get it, relax, treat yourself, and all of that. Once again, you have 2 decorative and 2 functional. And then we get to the planner. So let me take this out. So this planner is thick, really, really nice. They have a bunch of different layouts. You can choose between a daily, and you can get the whole year, but you can't do any add-on pages. And then I'll go ahead and move this. And then you can change the cover. You can have stuff down here. You can have different monograms. Really, really nice. I love the colors. I chose these colors because they're definitely my color scheme, but picking the cover was probably the hardest part because there's so many different covers and so many different options for monogramming. The first thing you have right here is a nice plastic cover to protect the soft cover, and I like that. I like that you can have something to protect it. I do wish you could like order covers for this. I feel like eventually they might do it. I don't know. I think it would just make it a really, really nice extra touch to be able to change the covers because they do have so many beautiful covers, but this one is my favorite, so I was happy with it. The first thing we have in here is a weekly planner personalized by you, for you, by you. And this planner belongs to, we have down here, and it's made in the USA. And then we have their 2019 overview. And then we have a 2020, which is really nice. Then we have an insert in here, and it's special dates. Now, they only have colorful layout. They don't have like a black and white, which, you know me, I would have loved a black and white one, but colorful is just fine. So we have special dates. Then we have ideas, plans, and goals. And then we just have like a blank little note paper right there. Then we have May. So you get to choose the month you want to start on. So I chose May. And in May, we have a monthly highlight. So you have just some circles up here, birthdays, events, things to remember, and just like a little note sheet. And then the calendar is a nice month on 2 pages, and then you have really big boxes. And then I chose the horizontal layout. I really liked this layout because horizontal seems much more simpler to me. Just because this time in my life I don't have a lot going on, so this was perfect. So you have that. Then at the end of each month, I added in my bills, so you can put all your bills for the month, their due date, and how much. I added this sheet in. And then I did a monthly cleaning because I am going to be doing a new zone cleaning, and I thought this would be perfect. And then I have like a little budget sheet, and then a budget in the back. So then we have that for every month. So we have June, July, and each month has a different color. And I like how it kind of like goes into that color. So we have it all the way until April of next year. And then we get into my extra dividers. So the 3 I chose was fitness, social media, notes. They do have like a budget tab. They have tons of different tabs that you can pick for your lifestyle. So like they have a home, and you can either get it tabbed or untabbed. So untabbed would be like these that just go into my month that I know I'm going to use every month. So that is why I chose to add just like my budget sheets in here and my cleaning sheets in here. But for my fitness, social media, and notes, I wanted their own dividers. So for fitness, they give you several sheets. So you have your fitness statistics. So it tells you your date goal, your weight goal, your BMI goal, your weight overview, measurements, affirmation statement, your long-term goals, short-term goals, and your milestones. And then on the back, you just have your monthly overview. So your vitamins, sleep, steps, exercise, and water. And then you have another monthly overview, which is weight overview, BMI overview, if you hit your goal or not. Your fitness was, what was it? Your nutrition, your measurements, motivations and rewards, and the goals. So I think you have enough in here for the year. Then we have social media. So I wanted this just because I would love to have this information in my planner. So it has a posting guide, so it tells you what they recommend and what kind of daily content and hashtags to use. And then on the back, you have your mission statement, your key message, audience, platform, strengths and weaknesses, your competition analysis, your 3 major social media goals, your monthly steps to achieve those goals, daily steps to achieve those goals, and if you did month, day, and year, you can check them off if you did those things. And then you have like an overview by month. So you definitely can do this to plan out your content, how much you do a month, or big things. And then you have your monthly planning, so important dates and holidays, your brainstorming, and if you had any campaigns. So you have a bunch of that. Let's see. Then we have a campaign audit. So you have your title, your how many posts you should have done, and that kind of stuff, which I'm not that big to do a campaign audit, but that's really cool that they did include that, because hopefully one day I will get to that point. And then you just have your login information, which I really like, because with YouTube and Instagram, you definitely have tons of usernames and passwords. I have a fitness Instagram, a regular account, and then I do have an account that I'm a part of. It's called She Just Blooms. Definitely check it out. Check out all my accounts. I'll leave them down below. But yeah, so sometimes our passwords are constantly changing just so people can't hack them. So this is really good to have. And then of course, every planner I ever own has some note paper, and I did quite a few, and along with some dotted, really nice quality. Then let's see. In the back, we just have a password sheet, which is also helpful for those non-social media ones, a contact page, your US holidays, and then you have 2021 calendar. It's weird seeing that. So you definitely have this at the back, so for future planning. And then you have a pocket back here, which let's see if the stickers will fit. Let's see. So yep, they'll just slide right on in. So you can keep your stickers that you're using. You don't have to put all 4 sheets in there. You could probably put one of each in the front and back, so you have those at all times. And then you have another, here's the back, and then you have another clear protective to protect the back. It is quite thick. I did add on a lot of extra pages. So I think you have a maximum of 84 pages you can put in the planner. So that's why with the daily planner, you cannot do as many like add-ons that I did. So there's that. And then this is my review of the Plum paper. I definitely recommend this planner if you want to customize and you just like the spiral. They have a ton of accessories that come with it. I just didn't purchase any. I probably will purchase some in the future because I really like this planner because of the add-ons you can do. You know, with a binder planner that you can actually open the tabs, you can kind of get overwhelmed with buying all the extras, but with this I really think that adding the add-ons at the end that you would actually need every month, and then the ones that you chose, I think that's a great thing to do. They definitely have tons of add-ons you can do. So I will link the Plum paper website down below and everything that I did to customize it. And yeah, I definitely recommend this planner, so y'all make sure to give them a look if you're interested in a new planner, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.